the YouTube video that is titled The 4 Laziest Ways to Make Money Online in 2024, $500 a Day for Beginners, which was produced by the YouTube channel Success with Sam, is 9 minutes and 25 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. First is recurring affiliate commissions. Here, Sam highlights affiliate marketing as a viable way to earn online. This involves promoting existing products and earning commissions for sales made through your referral. The focus is on products that offer recurring commissions, allowing for ongoing income from a single sale. The second approach he mentions are search-based affiliate marketing and building a niche authority website. Both require providing valuable information to attract and engage an audience. He then focuses on building niche authority websites. He says this strategy involves creating websites that offer valuable content on specific topics within a niche. He stresses the importance of targeting people actively searching for information about these products, using effective branding and Google SEO strategies. The potential for income comes from recurring affiliate commissions, advertising, and the possibility of selling the website in the future. He also mentions that outsourcing content creation saves time. Then it is on to a faceless video content business. Here he discusses creating short and long-form videos for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts without showing your face. This method includes outsourcing tasks like editing, posting, and scheduling, and using systems and software, such as an app called Later, to streamline the process. Monetization strategies include recurring affiliate commissions, selling digital products, and offering services. Building an audience interested in a specific topic and consistently providing high-quality content is crucial. He leaves out that building a loyal audience is extremely hard work. Sam then says why he views investing as a simple yet effective way to earn passive income, once educated on the best investment strategies. He shares his personal experience with a Trading 212 account, where he says he invested over £22,000 and earned more than £1,300 in passive income. Of course, this may be a fairy story, we will never know. For long-term growth, he recommends investing in the S&P 500, where making small daily investments is advised. Please remember that much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Firstly, seek out experts in that field. Please do not look for generic how-to-make-money fast videos that just recycle the obvious suspects like the faceless content channels and affiliate marketing mentioned here by Sam. Also, feel free to tell me the YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility and attract more ad revenue. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.